Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Freelancer Madhavi, and today's topic of discussion is how to use date filter, how to apply date in chart of account screen. So in this page, when we are working with chart of account, you can see below the ribbon this chart of account caption, and the small button is here. So click on that button, use limit totals, and under the limit total apply date filter, and now you can ready to define the date. You can choose the single day or you can choose the date filter. Now this is the way you can apply the date range from 1st April 2020 to 31st March 21. This is the financial year I have chosen. You can use as per requirement. Now you can check all the data as per your requirement. Use the net change field for the period data, balance at date, as on data, and balance column. This column is used for all the data you have in the system from starting to the current period. Or including the advance entry also. So if you are working with the income statement items, choose advance filter, apply income statement, and system will only show the income statement items. And if you want to work with the balance sheet item, you can also select the balance sheet. Now system will show you the only balance sheet item. And if you want to work with the combined statement, combined chart of account, combined list of all accounts, leave it blank. So system will show you all the combined accounts in this page using chart of account, the list of account, a list of all the account of GL. So net change, balance sheet date, and balance. You can use the net change for the period data for the income statement. Balance sheet date, this is used for at the end of the data, as on data for the balance sheet item, and the balance I have already discussed for all the data from starting to end with including the advance entries. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching.